Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 5 of Child Psych. I want to take a moment and overview your assignments for this week. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so in week 5, as you can see, we are going to look specifically at language development. This week is basically looking at the argument of nature and nurture when it comes to language development. So there are a lot of different resources here in the Unit 5. You've got the language development worksheet and a PowerPoint discussion video. These two go hand in hand. You basically will find all of the answers for this language development worksheet on the discussion PowerPoint. And what I'm hoping that you will be able to do is utilize those to form your opinion in terms of what is more influential on the development of language. Is it nature or is it nurture? We know it's both, but I want you to form an opinion. So here are a couple other resources that we have: a Discovering Psychology telecourse on language development, a idea of the universal linguist theory, which is very interesting, and then a Simply Psychology language acquisition theory that has some good videos as well. So all of those are going to be good, as well as essay 8 and 9 from the text, in you forming your opinion as to what you believe is more influential language, whether it be nature or nurture. You will be, for the assignments, posting a language video, which basically you will go on to YouTube, find something that is related to language. It could be something to do with which one you feel is more important, nature of language or nurture of language, and you are going to go ahead and just post this here. So the video clip will either demonstrate how it's learned or acquired. This could be anything from the stages of language development to the milestones of language development, anything. And a video that could support the nature or nurture theory of language development, as well as it could be a certain stage of language development. Babies cooing, babies babbling, using sign language, that sort of thing. So what you'll do is use the title of the forum that describes what your link is, and then you will have the link within the body of the posting. And then the other thing that you will be doing is the nature or nurture. So it is basically an assignment where you guys are going to read essays, watch videos, and gather evidence to support the influence of nature as well as nurture. In this essay, I want you to explore both of those sides, but then conclude with one statement, like a paragraph of what you feel is more influential. So how I would look for an ideal setup essay would be an introduction talking about how language develops, and then a section on how nature is impactful on the development of language, and then another section on how nurture is also impactful on language development, concluded with your opinion as to which one you think is more heavily involved. So that is basically what you guys have going this week. I do know that. Sorry, I'm out of here. I do know that week 5 is also going to be occurring at the same time of when we would normally have a recess for the 4th of July holiday. So please note that I will be opening it up a little bit early. So if you take advantage of that time frame and you either want to work ahead or use the grace period, I advise working ahead, because as I have stated, the advisors are looking at grade books and I need to put the zeros in, even if I'm going to change it when I get your assignment. I have to put those in just so that they know where we're at currently. So I advise working ahead if it's possible. And that way you can still have a 4th of July day off. Okay. So have a great week, guys, and I will talk soon. Bye.